Why is it just the greatest feeling trick in the history of skateboarding? I'm 41 years old. I'm trying to get back into skateboarding after breaking my foot for 5 months. Here we go. I don't know what to call this video, a persistence or just like relearning to skate again. I'm not totally sure, but we're gonna learn some tricks that I have not done for a very, very long time, I hope. Without hurting myself, I hope. Shout out to my doctor, you're the best. Dr. Potter. So I'm gonna go over this crack for the most part, I think, and I'm going to do all the basics. You know, I'm just gonna turn this into a little bit of a tutorial also for the 41-year-olds out there in the house. Before you get started, guys, do some static stretching like this. Oh wait, static is still, right? So this is like dynamic, I guess. Get your legs moving. I'm not gonna do too much of this because I already warmed up a little bit, but if you're just getting out there skating in the morning, oh, ouch, ouch, get those bones cracking. Get your muscles warmed up. And then get on your skateboard and do all of the basics. I actually put in the Braille skateboarding app, like all these different writings, like go, tic-tac, front side kick turn, back side kick turn, get all those down, right? And then get into the tricks. Wow, it's a terrible ollie. So I'm gonna do the Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1. We're gonna do ollie. The second I say that, I already regret. No, Aaron, because then you have to heel flip. Forget the heel flip. Front side 180 is trick number 2. Back side 180. Maybe you've seen it, maybe you've done these before. I think I'm gonna start like a thing where you guys can submit your clips to me and I can teach you. Maybe I take like 30 people in a month and I can teach you through all the basics online as best I can. I'm trying to work out some things like that because I'm trying to grow skateboarding. Braille skateboarding is about growing skateboarding. So let's get it. Pop shove it. Woo! Front side shove it. Yes, sir. I love front side shove it. Next is the dreaded heel flip. I need to do this 5 times a day. I need to take my own advice and do this 5 times a day every day. I was doing that for a while and I was getting them down really well. And now it's been so much time off, I done lost it. This is not a video about me learning heel flips. Derek, help me out, bro. Okay, that is it. I'm landing this stupid heel flip right now. Then we're gonna do harder tricks, much harder tricks. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you again. Thanks to Factor 75 for sponsoring today's video. I'm working on my health and eating well, and I just recently found out about Factor. You can get chef-prepared meals on the table in 2 minutes with Factor's ready-to-go eat meals so you can get back to what you're doing that's important, whether that be skateboarding or something else. Factor meals eliminate the hassle of prepping, cooking, or cleaning up. Simply heat and savor the good stuff. Factor now offers loads of snack options like breakfast, smoothies, juices, small bites, and more to keep me going no matter what's on the busy schedule. Thanks to Factor 75 for sponsoring today's video. Use my link to get 50% off your first Factor box and 20% off your next month of orders. Get out there and get shredding. Kickflip, you know how we live. Woo! Why is it just the greatest feeling trick in the history of skateboarding? In the history of my existence. You know what I really want to do in this video, but I'm deadly scared? Nollie flip. And I'm scared because that's the foot that I broke.
Have you done that yet?
Huh?
Have you done that yet?
No.
No?
I haven't even, that's like the most I've done. I don't know why I'm so scared of it. The other trick that I want to do is my favorite trick, and it's like, it literally breaks, it like takes my heart and rips it into 1,000 pieces. The fact that I cannot just go tray flip revert, tray flip revert. So then I was thinking maybe this is tray flip revert video. Maybe. Okay, so do another kickflip for the love. Yeah, boy! I don't know why, but like at this point in my life, skateboarding has just gotten a lot more fun. Maybe it's a little less serious and maybe a little less going on. Varial flip. Shee! Do not tell Gabe I missed that, please. Don't tell Gabe. All right, that's for Gabe Cruz. Yes, sir! Okay, if I can varial flip, I should be able to backside flip, right? skateboarding is 90% a mental battle. There's no reason I couldn't have just landed that. But right when it's flipping around and it's about to land, my mind just goes like, Aaron, when really I could have just landed that. Okay, right here, for you. Derek, for the love of Pete, please break my leg right now. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Yes.
Not only am I gonna take that, but I'm gonna like it too. The question now though, can we do frontside flip? Frontside flip? Leave it in the comments below. How many tricks can I gain back in a single session? Frontside flip. What?
Okay.
How in the world? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I literally did not expect that. We're 8 minutes in, we got ollie, frontside 180, backside 180, pop shove, front shove, heel flip, kick flip, varial flip, backside flip, and frontside flip. 10 tricks in 8 minutes. It's pretty good. Better than a sharp stick in the eye. Okay, well after that, it gave me so much confidence that I think I should do tray flip and then tray flip revert. Because what a tray flip revert is basically a frontside flip. You just take away the kick flip and turn it into a tray flip. Am I wrong? You're not wrong, Aaron. Okay, thank you, thank you. Tray flip don't scare me, Derek. Tray flip don't scare me. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. Oh, I'm scared. And just like that. Remember I said a little bit earlier in the video, like, oh, I'm having so much fun skateboarding? Well, now I hate it. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I still love it. Wow, that was not bad, eh? That was not bad, mate. But for some reason, I feel like I have to go this way. That's, again, the mental battle of skateboarding. Wow. When I land on that, it feels like there is 2 screws in my bone. Oh, right, because there is 2 screws in my bone. Before I had this injury, I would blame the sun, I'd blame the heat, I'd blame perspiration, I'd blame food. Now it's all about my broken foot. Wah, wah, wah. Cry me a river. Push through it, Aaron. Don't be weak. Okay, tray flip right here. I'm not gonna lie, Derek. I was feeling pretty good.
You tray flip 3 times first try.
3 times first try. Give me the odds on a tray flip revert first try.
The odds?
Vegas odds, not Kentucky Derby odds, please.
That's a solid, I believe in you, solid 1 out of 5.
1 out of 5?
Yeah.
What does that mean? It's like a 20%?
20%. 20% chance.
20. So you're saying there's a 20% chance I'll make it or a miss?
You'll make it.
Oh, sheesh. So if I put $10 on, how much am I making on this? 50 bucks?
What would you make? Yeah, 50 bucks.
I'm not a gambler. I'm literally the world's worst gambler. My wife, we went to a casino once, and I gave her $100. Come back here in an hour, and the person who makes the money gets to win the game. And I came back with $0. She came back with $500. Pretty sure it was 500. I might have forgot. Okay, let's go. Tray read, first try. Ain't nobody hold me down. Oh no. Ah! Frickin'. Well, it's not really a persistence if you land it first try. But is it a persistence if you land it second try? You know where it is? It's right there. It's right between me bloody eyes. Okay, I'm gonna land it right here. What do you give me right here? First try?
$5.
$5 right here?
Yeah.
You lying.
$5.
You liar.
That's half a Jamba Juice.
Shit. Are you allowed to curse on YouTube yet? We're a family-friendly skateboard channel. We're teaching the future generations how to push through, learn how to tray flip revert, whether you got your Jamba Juice or not. Okay, let's land this. Tray revert. Derek, I need you to call me a poser.
Poser.
Actually, I like being called a poser.
You're not a poser.
You know,
You're not a poser at all.
Those are fighting words. You know, being skateboarding for 30 years, people called me a lot of names. My favorite name, poser. Let's go, poser.
Too bad you're not a poser.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm gonna land this right now and I'm gonna be a poser. Pose it up. Oh, you worthless Sacagawea. Look at my last video, I landed a tray double flip easier than this. What's happening to me? Am I 41 years old? My wife keeps saying, we're not getting old. Our hair's turning gray, but we're not getting old. Derek, I've been married for 14 years solid. Never even had a thought of commitment issues, but I cannot commit to this tray flip revert.
That's how hard skating is.
Can you give me some relationship advice? Just put a ring on it.
Yeah.
Okay, right here, from my wife, Danielle. That's it. Skating's not hard. It's easy. It's all mental. It's all in your head. What happened there is I landed, I felt like I had it, and the board like slapped my foot so hard, my left foot, whereas the brake is, and it hurt, shocked me like a shock wave. And now I'm thinking, I don't know if I got this. Now I can barely walk, I can barely breathe, I can barely feel, I can barely think, and I'm making excuses. I know on the other side of that screen, phone, whatever device you guys are watching on, TV, there is at least one person who has yet to commit to the trick they're trying to land. I'm gonna fully commit right here, 100%, do or die for you. And then you gotta go out today and commit to that trick you're working on. Let's go! Okay, that got me. That got me right in the feels. I thought of every time there was some kid or somebody out there that I went to the skate park and they're like, I'm trying to do this trick. And I was like, you got it. You just got it. Sometimes you have to believe in yourself. Sometimes you need somebody else to believe in you. And sometimes in your whole life, you have nobody that is going to believe in you. Get out there, push yourself. You got the trick. You can land it. Let's go and get it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.